يوصيكم الله في أولادكم للذكر مثل حظ الأنثيين.
Assalaamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this video, we will work through the example in exercise 10.1. This is within the sharing debts chapter and can be found on page 47 in the Islamic inheritance book. In this example, the deceased has left behind 3 creditors, 3 people that this person owes money to. So, when the money that's left over by the deceased, it says here that he's left behind £68 as his estate when he passed away. When the money that he's left over is less than the total debts, then we need to give each creditor a proportion of that money that he's left over. We can't give preference to one person's debt over another person's. So we need to give each person a little share from that £68 that he's left behind, according to how much debt he has. So this is the way to calculate it first. So we can also use our normal way of calculating it to also give each person the correct amount of money. So this person has passed away. They have left £68, and they have also left 3 creditors. There's Adam, who is owed £100, Khalid, who is owed £50, and Zainab, who is also owed £50. So the first thing that we do is we create a sort of base number by adding up all the debts together. And 100 plus 50 plus 50 is £200. So you write that in the top right like we do with a normal base number. Next, we use this formula. The formula is the estate divided by the total debts multiplied by each person's debt, each share, a share of debts, you could say. Okay, and in terms of, if you remember the previous exercise 9.1, the numbers in the positioning and the way we calculate it is exactly the same. So for example, if we start off with Adam, we do £68 divided by £200, which is sort of like the base number, multiplied by Adam's £100. And when you calculate that, then it equals £34. And when you think about it, this is exactly what should happen, because Adam's debt, £100, or the debt owed to Adam, the £100, is half of all the debts altogether. And the total debts is £200 and Adam's is 100. Therefore, since the debt owed to him is half of the total debts, then he should get half of the money that's actually left over. And when you use that calculation, then that is exactly what it gives you, £34. For Khalid, we do £68 divided by the £200 multiplied by Khalid's £50, it gives you £17. Now Khalid's debt owed to him is a quarter of the total debt, therefore he gets a quarter of £68, which is £17. And Zainab's is exactly the same, £68, the estate £68 divided by the total debts £200 multiplied by 50, and it gives you £17. So when you add up 17 plus 17 plus 34, that gives you the £68. So in summary, from the £68 left over, Adam will get £34, Khalid will get £17, and Zainab will get £17. Jazakallah.
ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم.